Hello everyone, welcome to this Olan's Russian Velvet Collection review video. I'm so sorry it took me so long to make this video for you guys, but here it is. We're going to be reviewing all four colors in both bright and artificial lighting. Okay, so first up is the Russian Velvet Gray. This is definitely a light gray, however, it is a warm toned gray. So rarely do I find gray lenses that actually have a warm undertone. If you look closely in the center, you'll see that the inner pupil ring is kind of a yellow color. That actually helps a lot with the blending and creates less of a bug eye effect. As you guys may notice, the pupil hole is larger on these lenses, so I personally recommend this particular color from this collection for very dark brown eyes. If you have a warmer, maybe darker skin tone and very dark brown eyes and you really like gray lenses, these lenses are going to look absolutely gorgeous on you and they're going to perfectly match your features. Next up is the Russian Velvet Blue. I think that this is the brightest color in this collection. I personally really like it. It is extremely bright and it's also warm toned, again because of that yellow color in the pupil hole ring. With this particular color, if you look close up, you can really see the detail of the pattern of this line. So again, in the center, it's that really warm toned yellow gold color, then it fades out into a very light blue color, and then there actually is no limbo ring designed in this collection. And it does look a little bit pixelated, but in person, I personally think these lenses look extremely realistic and they are one of Olan's best lines in my opinion. I always recommend this blue for those with very dark brown eyes who don't want a bug eye effect, but you still want bright blue contacts that are actually going to show up on your eyes because they have a lot of pigment. So again, highly recommend the gray and the blue for very dark brown eyes. Next up is the Russian Velvet Green. I think this is one of the best light green lenses available to you worldwide that looks extremely natural. I personally think that this is the closest dupe to Buzios that I've ever found. So for those of you who really love Buzios, you love that light green with the yellow undertone. I always say that these kind of remind me of Rihanna's eyes. They're very bright green. But you, for some reason, don't like Buzios, check out this Russian Velvet Green. It is the closest thing you're going to find. Because of the yellowness and the way the pupil hole is designed, it is lighter in the center to blend with your iris. So there's going to be no bug eye effect. However, it is still extremely light. So it appears that you have sort of like light hazel green yellowish eyes. I absolutely love this green in this collection, and I also highly recommend for very dark brown eyes. So highly recommended, you guys. Check out this color. It's one of the lightest green lenses you're going to find that actually looks natural. And last is my favorite, you guys, the Russian Velvet Brown. I adore these lenses. These are actually my favorite colored lenses from Olan's to date. I wear these so often. So as you can see, this color is an extremely light, warm toned caramel brown with a gold undertone. It's a very smooth color gradient. You don't see the yellow center really. It's all kind of one solid color. I absolutely just love these lenses, and the reason I love these lenses is because there is absolutely zero bug eye effect on my medium brown eyes. So these lenses are very suitable for both dark and medium brown eyes, I would say, but they are the lightest brown lens I have ever found. It's so rare to find really bright lenses that don't have a bug eye effect, so please take note of this. If you love the super bright-eyed exotic look where you literally have eyes that just pop out because they are so bright, but they look real because there's no bug eye effect, you are going to adore these lenses. So right now, Olens is running a Black Friday promotion. If you use their coupon BLKFRI, you're going to get 10% off. They also have some sales, like up to 80% clearance. If there is any time to shop for lenses, it is definitely now during the Black Friday season. I will link all these pairs below for you guys. If you guys want to know the most realistic contacts in the world, check out that video. I'll put it at the end of this one. These are all the best colored lenses that you are going to find online to you worldwide. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next. Bye.